Have you ever struggled getting someone to do something, even when you knew it was good for them to do? Have you ever tried to get someone to buy your product and failed? Have you ever not been able to get your friend to listen to your advice? Have you ever had something to share, something you were excited about, only to share it, and no one cared? You see, I ask because I've spent the last 3 months of my life answering this question. How do you move people to action? How do you get them and yourself to move powerfully forward, to increase your income, to contribute, to make the world a little better? That's what this course is about. You see, I read basically every book that matters on persuasion, 52 of them to be exact. Yes, it took me 3 months to do, and yes, the books cost almost $1,000. But I discovered that all the most influential people knew things were never taught in school. They were insiders, and not knowing what they knew kind of makes us like little kids trying to build a house with a toy hammer. So I took everything I learned from all those books and turned them into this course, something you can use in your life right now, literally today, to master persuasion, to become one of those people that moves others to action. And not only that, unlike a lot of books or courses on persuasion that teach you manipulative lines or boring scripts, this is all about it becoming who you are, not just something you do. So here's what we're going to cover in the course. We'll bust the 3 persuasion myths that have been secretly sabotaging any shot you have at influencing others. Then we'll go through the 7 personality traits of the most influential people and how to develop each, and no, they're probably not what you think. Third, I'll show you exactly what you should be thinking about anytime you want to persuade and make a positive impact on people, whether it's with one person or with thousands. And last, I'll show you the 12 pieces of the most persuasive messages, so you can finally get your message across in a way that people will not only listen, but move to action on something that serves them. So can you see the impact it would make in your work, with your family, with your friends? Well, I hope you can, because my guess is that, like me, you're someone who wants to make a positive impact, someone who wants to contribute, someone who realizes life is bigger than just ourselves. I hope you'll join me in this course to master your persuasion and become more influential today. So if this sounds like you, just click the Take This Course button now, and I'll see you inside the course in the next few seconds.